To use the temperature tool to adjust the color tone of photos on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open a photo you want to edit. Tap edit icon or pencil icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap tone icon. Swipe the icon area to the left to find temperature icon. Now drag the slider to the right to make the image warmer. Warmer tones bring a more inviting golden hue, perfect for giving your photos a cozy sunset-like feel. Or you can drag the slider to the left to make the image cooler. Cool tones add a refreshing bluish hue to your photo. It's ideal for scenes that are too warm or sunlit. If you are happy with the result, tap save to save the change. As a note, the temperature tool helps you adjust the overall warmth or coolness of your photo. It's perfect for fine-tuning your photos based on the time of day, weather, or desired mood. Whether you want to cool down a sunny image or add warmth to a winter shot, this feature makes editing quick and easy. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.